Hello all, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In this episode, I'm going to share with you my quick Malai Kulfi recipe. It's so delicious and really easy to make. So let's get started.
So to make this Malai Kulfi, here I have 250 ml of heavy whipping cream. Then here I have 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half cup of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of ground nuts. These are mixed nuts I used, cashew, almond and a little bit of pistachio, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and here I have some additional chopped pistachio. This is optional. I do like some chunks in my kulfi, so I'm just going to add some chopped pistachio, and that's all we need. So let's get started. Alright, so now what we have to do is just dump all the ingredients into this mug or jar and mix it up and let it set. So we'll start off with this sugar. So first I'm going to add this powdered sugar in here into my cream. Then I'll add milk powder, 3 tablespoons of ground nuts. So first I'll just mix it up with the spoon, and then you can use whisk or blender. And now I'm going to add this cardamom powder in it, and that's it. And I'm gonna use my blender to blend all this together. Okay, so it's all mixed.
Here I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. The quantity always depends on how much you need.
So as you can see, the mixture is ready. When you use whipping cream, it will become really nice, thick and fluffy when you mix with blender. So what you can do, if it becomes really thick, you can add a little bit of milk. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of my pistachio in it, just the half of it. That's it. And mix it. The reason I'm using this jar is because it's easy to pour into my mold. So I'm gonna use my mold here. You can use any molds you have available. I'm just using these plastic ones, but you can use the steel ones if you have. So what I'm going to do, the leftover pistachios, I'm gonna just add it on my each mold, just a little bit of it on the bottom. Only thing you have to do is pour this mixture into your mold. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Already, just close the lid. Okay. So now let this set up for 6 to 8 hours. So I'll show you once it's ready. Alright guys, so my kulfis are ready and I let them set for overnight. As you can see, two are empty already, so my family enjoyed it. But I'm going to show you how does it look. Look at that. This is so good. And this tastes delicious because we already tried it, and this is foolproof recipe. So let's serve this. So that's it, my kulfi is ready. I'm just going to sprinkle some chopped pistachios over it just to give it a good look. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos for you guys, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.